Hey guys, it's Cynthia and we are out in nature. Today I'm so excited. It was such a beautiful day. I didn't want to do any projects in the house with all the wind that we've had in our area. We're in zone 7A, 7B, and the wind has been rough. So today was such a beautiful day. I figured I'd take you guys out, put the projects off till the next time, and just enjoy this beautiful day. We are inspired by the 3 L's today. So the first one is we're here at a beautiful lake. The second is we're going to pick up some lilies and make a beautiful flower arrangement. And the third, we're going to close the evening with some fresh squeezed lemon tea. So I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to spending the day with you guys. We're going to do a little nature, watching nature, enjoying nature. Until next time. Okay guys, we're back from the store and we picked up some lilies. See here, so pretty. Take the rubber band off. Okay, so we have some beautiful lilies today. They were only $5.99, which was a beautiful price. I decided today to just, instead of doing like a normal vase that's crystal or glass, just do a mason jar. I wanted to do something that everyone has in their kitchen, and just some extra ribbon that I had. I normally stash ribbon if I get a present. We actually had the colors to go with the lilies, so this was perfect. If not, I could put twine, I could put just a white ribbon, anything that you have. So first, we're going to take the flower food and put it in the jar. And next we're going to take some water. I normally try to fill the glass at least about a halfway so I don't have to come and top it off, but maybe every 3 days when I cut them back again. So that's perfect to mix it in. So I want to separate them and see which one I want to use first. And I think I will use the one that's open the most first. So I'll put those there. And I'm going to take some of these off. So we're here, it looks so beautiful. And just cut it on an angle. I'm going to go about there. I'm going to cut it at an angle a little higher. Grab the next one, just this one here, and I want to just take the bottom petals off. I'm going to make sure they are not in the water. The plant food helps to keep the water fresher longer, and it's good nourishment for the plants as well. I think I want to go a little bit here. I want to go there, just because of the size of the jar. I want to go about right there. And the last one, go right, make it a little longer. This one looks a little shabby, so I want to pop this one off. This one looks low. Sometimes I will cut everything one length, but sometimes I just want to have different lengths. So we're here, and I just wanted to take the 2 spare ribbons that I happen to have with the same color. Use whatever you have. Just gonna put these 2 together. Take the 2 ribbons, just cut them on a slant. Like that. And the other side, I'm going to take those and cut them on slant as well. Sure they're a little close to even, but right there. Cut them there. Doesn't have to be perfect. We can put this underneath. We can put it on the kitchen counter. This is what it looks like. I wanted to move it so you can get a better view. Okay guys, so I decided to bring it here on the kitchen counter where it will actually go, and I'll be able to see it throughout the day. In the next 2 or 3 days, I will cut it again on an angle and add more plant food. I always keep plant food, extra ones, and I will put it in with the water, and it will give me another couple days. But just wanting you to see that for $5.99 you could literally make something so beautiful to go on your kitchen counter using a mason jar that you already have, any ribbon, it does not matter the color. So all right guys, see you in a few minutes for lemon tea. Thanks. Today, we were inspired by the 3 L's. The lake was incredible this morning. And here we are. Ending our evening with the last L, our 3rd L for today. So good. It's so nice to be able to just use something that you already have in the kitchen for some tea. It's nice to have the tea bags, of course, or to have tea leaves, but it's something about taking a fresh fruit or a vegetable. I love to infuse my water with oranges or cucumbers. I love to have those cold, and I love the lemon, fresh squeezed lemon. It's like a giant hug. So many times I put my hand around it, especially on chilly days, chilly nights. I love to just cup and just get the warmth. This feels great. I'm so grateful to spend this day with you guys. You guys have opened and closed your day with me yet again. It's so important to take days like today and just go out into nature. You know, on the weekends when you get up and it's a beautiful day, I know you have housework to do. We all do. We all have laundry to tend to. But it's so nice to just go out into nature, especially days like this where you actually don't see that many days that we've had where they've been so beautiful. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.